Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Beautiful car, guys. It's just underwent, I think it's got 3,000 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Good, solid Tennessee body. It's a Cranberry red car with a black vinyl interior. You can see it's got the factory correct 15-inch rally wheels with BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Nice car, guys. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. It's got a crate motor, 454 in it. Factory air, factory tach engages, 12-bolt rear end. Really a nice car, guys. Good, solid, straight body. Nice paint. Runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight. Just a good car. I love the front marker lights on a 71. Of course, it's got the cowl hood, the black SS hood striping. It's a pretty car, man. The car's got a great look to it. Pretty paint. Trim's nice on the car. That dash is nice. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. Sits good. And like I say, it hits the road nice, guys. Front disc brakes. Again, it's not a matching numbers car. It's a crate engine, 454, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, and factory air. It's a 400 turbohydramatic trans. You can see it's detailed up really nice underneath the hood here. This is a pretty car, guys. Replaced all the door handles and mirrors, and see, it's got new door rubbers. They did a nice job on this car. Bucket seats, console, tilt column in it. Factory tach engages, 3180 if you can see it in there on the odometer. Factory AM/FM radio. It's dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end. It's not a big gear. It's just a 323 stock gear in it. Pretty car, man. Factory jack with spare. It's all spackle coated in there like it should be. Car's very nice on the bottom. And we got it up in the air and took some good pictures for you. Yeah, it's a good looking car, man. Car's got a great look to it. Just really nicely done. Even the clock in there is working. Getting tough to find stuff like this, guys. I'll tell you, man. Really tough to find good cars. Like I say, pretty much just bone stock. You see the air does work. No big cam or anything like that in it. See if I can do this the one-handed drill. Bear with me while I put these pins in, guys. Good looking car, man. All the gauges working in there. Backup lights work. It's got a good sound to it, good sounding big block. Factory AM FM works. Blower motor works, guys. And no on the wipers, we'll have to check them. I think Jay's saying they did work. We'll check it. Welcome to the world of old cars, guys. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook or our Instagram pages. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Oh, that's a nice car, man. Doggone it, that thing's pretty. Have a great day, guys.